Hello, my name is Shane with AllMax Software Technical Support, and I'm here with your quick tech tip for the week. Need a fast and efficient way for your employees to request a work order in Antero without installing a licensed version of the program on every workstation computer? In this video, we will be exploring Work Requester. Work Requester is an added feature in our Antero maintenance software that can be installed on any network computer without taking up an additional seat of your software license. It will allow your employees to submit a work order request to your Antero software where the main users of the full application can create an open work order. First, we need to set up Work Requester. Proceed to a workstation with Antero installed and launch the program. Click on the File tab inside the Antero application and select your Open Database icon. From the Open Database Antero window, you will select the database you want to create Work Requester for. Once that database is highlighted in blue, you can then navigate to the Application ribbon in the Antero database window and select Database Properties. Inside the Database Properties window, you will see several File tabs. Select the File tab that says Work Request Setup. Inside the Work Request Setup File tab, select the plus button, and then from the Available Work Request window, we're going to select our department we want to create Work Requester for. Select from the available list of departments for your database and click OK. Then you can name your work request file name, or you can select the default name that is assigned to it. Next, we will need to select a work request file path to save our XML documents. Note, the file path should be a shared location on the network or server where all Antero users and Work Requester application users will be able to have full control. I'm going to navigate out and select our shared drive and a shared file location and click OK. Next, we will want to check mark Disallow Manual Equipment Task Entry, as a feature inside Work Requester will create an available list of options for our selected department. Once you've set up this information, be sure to click the Save icon inside the Work Requester window. Now you've completed setting up Work Requester inside the main Antero application. Go ahead and close out your windows. The next thing I'm going to show you today is how to access and install Work Requester on a workstation. Go ahead and minimize your Antero application and navigate to your Antero software in the Windows Startup screen or from the shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on and open the file location for Antero. Inside the File Application folder, you will notice there is a Setup Work Requester application that is installed with your software. Right-click on that and go ahead and copy it. Now you can paste that installation either on a shared network folder or on a thumb drive to install on the client PCs that will be using Work Requester. Once you've copied and pasted that installation, click on it and you will go ahead and install that on the client PC that you want to use Work Requester on. Once that software has been installed, you can launch the Antero Work Requester icon. Inside the Work Requester icon, you will need to set up Work Requester on the client PC that will be using this application. From the top of the application utility bar, select Work Request Setup. Next, we will need to navigate to that shared folder location on our network where we are saving the XML files for Work Requester. Click the plus button, and from your window browser screen, you're going to select the file location where we've saved our Work Requester XML file. We'll click on that folder and we will see our XML Work Requester file has been created. Highlight it and click Open. Once you've done that, that will be permanently saved in your Work Requester application. Now we are ready to begin creating work requests for Antero. When you are ready to create a work request inside Work Requester, you can simply click on the plus button, select a file name. In this case, this is our file that we're referencing. Select from an available list of equipment for your department, and then proceed to type in the name of the employee that is requesting the work order. And you can select from your available list of tasks for that department. You can add any additional notes here under Request, and you can also populate any additional contact info. Once you're done creating your work order request, click the Save icon. You will now see that you have a work order request that appears inside your Work Requester application. When a user who has full access to Antero launches the Antero application, they'll be able to go to the application ribbon and select their work request icon. Inside their work request icon, they will now see the work order request that we have made on our other workstation. And that is it. We have implemented work order request in the main application and installed work order requester on the other workstation computer. You are now ready to take advantage of the full potential of your Antero maintenance software. My name is Shane with AllMax Software Technical Support, and that's your video tech tip for this week. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please take a few minutes to subscribe and explore the other videos on our YouTube channel, or visit our website at allmaxsoftware.com.